Hello guys, welcome. Want to ensure your Verizon bill is paid on time every month without lifting a finger? Setting up autopay in this year is simple and can even save you money with discounts. So first, gather details for a supported payments method, for example, a bank account, a debit card or Verizon Visa card. Credit cards don't qualify for autopay discounts per Verizon's terms. You'll also need My Verizon login. If you're not registered, visit the official website, click sign in and follow the prompts to create an account using your mobile number. Only the account's owner can set up autopay, so confirm your role with your plan's admin. Open My Verizon app and go to the Verizon if you want to do it from the official websites. In the app, if you want to use that one, tap the account icon at the bottom, then select Bill Overview. On the website, click Accounts from the top menu, then Bill, look for Autopay or Manage Autopay and click it. If you don't see it, your plan might not support self-service and you need to call the line on Verizon to confirm. And after that, click Set up Autopay, enter your bank account or card details, routing and account numbers for a bank or card number, expiry and CVV for debit or Visa card. Select a payment date from the calendar, avoid holidays to prevent delays. Enable paper-free billing for discounts up to £7.50 per line on eligible plans, like Unlimited Ultimate. Review the terms, click Enroll, and you're set. And that's how to set up the autopay, guys. Prepare your payment method, access settings, enroll, and verify. Set up yours. Share your experience below, and of course guys, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. See you next time.